Welcome back. Now that we've learned about the two types of examples, substantiation and storytelling, it's time to put them into practice. In this lesson, we'll apply what we've learned with practice exercises and see how examples can enhance your TOEFL responses. Now, let's practice. Imagine you're answering this question. Do electronic devices help students in their studies? Try writing two responses. One using substantiation, a fact or general statement, and the other using storytelling, a personal or real-life example. Take a moment to write your responses. How would you support your argument using these two techniques? Let's compare them with sample answers. Here's how I would answer this prompt. For substantiation, I use a statistic to show how technology improves academic performance. For storytelling, I describe a real-life example of a student benefiting from digital tools. Both responses are effective, but storytelling makes the argument more engaging and relatable. Let's recap. Examples are essential for making arguments stronger and clearer. Substantiation adds credibility with facts and research. Storytelling adds engagement by making your argument more personal. And the most powerful approach? Combine both. A well-balanced response is both credible and compelling. Try using these techniques in your next academic discussion. You've got this. Want to practice with real TOEFL questions? Start your free trial. You'll unlock over 4,000 questions, authentic mock tests, and detailed AI feedback that fixes your mistakes line by line. Click the button below. No credit card needed. Let's turn your notes into a perfect score essay.